Hello everyone, this is Shivam from Gossipfunda and today we are going to fix an issue which we are facing in Baldur's Gate 3 game. So the game is not working and we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So let's get started. So if the game is not showing a particular error, so we're gonna see some basic ways to fix it. So first of all, check for the updates of game and device. Now restart the game and restart your device if needed. Also make sure to check the system requirement of game. You can easily get the specification on official website. The third thing you can do is to verify the game files. You can easily do that by locating game file. If this method does not work, then simply reinstall the game. And if the reinstallation does not work, then simply contact customer support. These were some ways to fix your issue. I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.